How to book a hotel on Agoda without credit card. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily book a hotel on agoda.com without any credit card. So first, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply log into your agoda.com account. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. Now simply search in for the destination which you want to visit. So as you can see, I've already searched in for my destination over here. So I'll simply search in for Tokyo, Japan for now, and so that I can get the hotels from over that particular area. Once you're searching for that location over here, you can simply come over to your left section, and here you should see the option regarding payment. So I'm simply searching for that, and as you can see, what you need to do is just filter out this book without credit card option over here, and also you can also choose between the free cancellation option as well. So you can just tap on this free cancellation button as well, so that you can easily filter out the hassle-free process, so that you can cancel anytime without having to pay fund. And here we have found two different hotels which offer such quality, and you can simply tap on this book now button over here by simply scrolling down over here, and you can cancel anytime with no risk because this is cancellation free. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.